Routing produces a large amount of dust and chips. It can be a hassle to clean up, but more importantly, breathing in the sawdust particles can impact your health. With the innovative Leigh VRS vacuum and router support attachment, Leigh dovetail jig owners can enjoy virtually dust-free routing and safe, sturdy router support. The Leigh VRS is an effective solution to a notoriously tricky dust collection situation because the sliding vacuum collector box is always directly below the router. It adapts to popular vacuum hose sizes and connects to your portable shop vacuum or main shop dust system without jig modifications. The difference speaks for itself. There are no camera tricks here. Everything you need for safe routing and easy dust collection is in every VRS kit, including the mounting hardware, hose adapters, and a full 5-year warranty. And there's a VRS kit available for most Leigh dovetail jigs. Simply place the VRS on the mounting brackets, connect the vacuum hose, set your router between the follower rails, and you're ready to route dust-free. The VRS is held securely in place on steel mounting brackets by powerful rare earth magnets, but is easily removed to be stored conveniently out of the way when changing the guide finger orientation. The mounting brackets are attached directly to the guide finger assembly supports, so the VRS raises and lowers along with the assembly, keeping it in perfect position no matter how you use the jig. The vacuum collector box is made of tough ABS plastic and uses follower rails to smoothly and automatically move along with the router for maximum dust collection efficiency, while the hose attachment articulates, so the vacuum hose falls naturally and doesn't pull on the vacuum box and router. A tilted router can cause problems. The VRS has a sturdy, full-width extruded aluminum router support beam that ensures the router always sits flat. Plus, it can be securely parked on the jig while spinning down or when you're clamping boards. The Leigh VRS vacuum and router support has become a must-have accessory for many woodworkers. For more info on the VRS and to find out which model works with your Leigh jig, please visit LeighTools.com.